Let me show you how to lock apps on any Google Pixel phone. For example, let's say you want to lock maybe WhatsApp, so you also want maybe like private WhatsApp account or any private messenger or app that you want to launch. So we can simply go in the settings and then click on security and privacy here. Okay, and click private space here. Yep, set the screen lock, so choose whatever you want. Okay, let's go here. Okay, click setup. And essentially this is like a hidden section of the phone that you can access and install basically additional apps on it that we can only access if you log in here. So yep, okay. Next, log in with your account here. Okay, agree. So you can set a new lock or use a screen lock. So yeah, choose whatever you want. Okay, and then you see basically in the apps list, if you scroll all the way down, you have this new private space over here. So if you click it here, let's enter our PIN or whatever security you have. And you see you can also store some special contacts that are actually hidden from the main phone. Also, we can privately browse, for example, internet, or also privately take photos as well, that we can only access using this private mode. But if you basically want to install additional apps, so that we want to hide, we will click over here, click install apps, and essentially we have to find the app we want to, for example, WhatsApp. By the way, this also, if you do this, this is a way essentially how you can install like a second copy of a WhatsApp as well on your account. So that will be only accessible if you basically go in this private space over here. Also, you can hide this private space window here as well. So you see if you click this, okay, sorry, you have to actually click on the settings range here, okay, hide private space. Okay, and if we try to lock it again, as you see, it essentially disappears. So when we launch, as you see, there are no signs that we actually have this private space. And if you want to access it later in the search, you can simply so enter private space or simply go in the setting and you'll be able to access it that way. See, it will appear here. Good luck.